If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I guess there was never me in it.